Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bauer circular saw. Before you even plug it in, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate eye protection, like safety glasses, and hearing protection to shield yourself from noise. Double-check that your blade is sharp and securely installed, facing the correct direction for cutting. Remember to unplug the saw from its power source before making any adjustments to the blade or depth settings. Your safety is the most important consideration when operating any power tool. Once you're geared up for safety, it's time to prepare your material. First, precisely measure and mark your cutting line on the workpiece. Next, secure your material firmly to a stable surface using clamps. This prevents movement and ensures a straight cut. Finally, adjust the saw's blade depth so it extends about 1/4 of an inch below the material you're cutting. This setting helps prevent kickback and ensures a clean, efficient cut. Now let's make that cut. Always start the circular saw before the blade touches your material, allowing it to reach full speed. Guide the saw along your marked line, maintaining a steady, consistent feed rate without forcing the tool. Let the saw do the work. As you approach the end of your cut, ensure the offcut piece is supported to prevent it from pinching the blade, which can cause kickback or an uneven finish. Smooth and controlled movements are key. After completing your cut, keep the saw running until the blade comes to a complete stop before setting it down. This prevents accidental contact and potential damage. Take a moment to clean any sawdust or debris from the saw, ensuring it's ready for its next use. Proper storage in a dry, secure place will extend its lifespan. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. Keeping your tools and home clean makes every project better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.